Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Mining Newsflash with Sibanye-Stillwater, Mawson Gold and IsoEnergy. Sibanye-Stillwater, the world's largest platinum and palladium producer and the number 3 in the gold production, expects an approximate 3,780% increase in basic earnings to 9.4 billion rands or 563 million US dollars. This translates into 21 US cents per share for the first half of 2020 compared with a basic loss of 18 million US dollars reported for the first half in 2019. Those outstanding numbers are based on an improved operational performance from their managed South African gold operations, despite the adverse impact of the COVID-19 lockdown regulations on production volumes, with the AMCU strike significantly impacting earnings for the first half in 2019. Also helped the inclusion of the Marikana operations for the full 6 months period compared with 1 month for the first half in 2019 and the significantly higher average precious metal prices in the first half 2020. The depreciation of the rand relative to the US dollar, with the rand being on average 17% weaker for the period at 16.67 rand per US dollars, helped too. Sibanye is full on track and might restart dividend payments next year as their debt situation improved dramatically positive. Mawson Gold announced that field programs are well underway, with diamond drilling commencing at their 100% owned Sunday Creek gold project in the central Victorian goldfields of Australia. In addition, large geophysical surveys are ongoing at the Redcastle gold project. Diamond drilling has commenced at the Sunday Creek and targets high-grade veining with associated mineralized halos, typical for epizonal-style gold mineralization at the Apollo Golden Dyke prospect. An initial 500-meter drill program is planned, after which the rig will immediately move to the company's Redcastle project. A total program of 5,000 meters is planned for the remainder of 2020 in Victoria, as the historic gold mines at Sunday Creek occur over a greater than 11-kilometer trend. Modern drilling at Sunday Creek has focused on shallow, previously mined surface workings to an average of 80 meters depth. Selected historical drill results show 21 meters with 4.8 grams gold per ton from 9 meters, including 2 meters with almost 29 grams gold per ton from 15 meters. Another hole showed 8 meters with 11.3 grams gold per ton from 66 meters, including 2 meters with 40.3 grams gold per ton from 70 meters. Those are great shallow values, and we look forward to results from the depths. At Redcastle, extremely high gold grades were mined over a 4.5 times 7 square kilometers area that contains over 24 historic mining areas, including the Welcome Group, that were exploited over a 2-kilometer strike length down to a maximum depth of 125 meters between the years 1859 to 1865, producing over 20,500 ounces gold at 254 grams gold per ton. Great news, I would say. IsoEnergy closed the previously announced $6 million US private placement of an unsecured convertible debenture with Queen's Road Capital Investment Limited. Craig Perry, IsoEnergy's CEO, commented, "It is with great pleasure that we welcome Queen's Road Capital as a strategic investor of IsoEnergy, and we look forward to working with Warren Gilman and his team as we continue with advanced exploration and resource delineation at Hurricane. Summer drilling at Hurricane is scheduled to commence very soon, and the company is now fully funded with over $14.5 million in the treasury," he said. The debenture will be convertible at the holder's option at a conversion price of 88 Canadian cents into a maximum of approximately 9.2 million common shares of the company. On or after the 3rd anniversary of the date of issuance of the debenture, at any time the 20-day VWAP on the TSX Venture Exchange exceeds 130% of the conversion price, the debenture can be redeemed at par, plus accrued and unpaid interest. The debenture has an 8.5% coupon over a 5-year term. The interest is payable semi-annually, with 6% payable in cash and 2.5% payable in common shares of the company, subject to TSX approval, at a price equal to the market price of the company's common shares on the TSX Venture on the day prior to the date such interest is due. The interest can be reduced to 7.5% per annum on the public dissemination by the company of an economically positive preliminary economic assessment study, at which point the cash component of the interest will be reduced to 5% per annum. That is a nice finance model ISO is pursuing here together with a strong partner. Me and or my team are shareholders in one and or all stocks presented, and they are or will be included into the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye bye from Switzerland.